Hey there, welcome back to Global Creative Design. Today we are talking all about making your text look awesome in Canva. Stick around because by the end of this video you will learn all about font styling in Canva. Alright, so let's start. Just open a blank document and select this text section. Here you can see Canva providing default text stylings like this for headings, this for subheadings and paragraphs. Here you can see your recently used fonts and styles. Next, here are many font styles and font combinations. You can use these fancy fonts for your Instagram posts, Facebook and Twitter. Okay, now let's type something. When you start typing your text, you can see a menu bar showing now on the top of the canvas. On the left side here you will see fonts. You can select any font from here. Here are a bundle of fonts in Canva. Even you can search for a font like I want Poppins font. Let me search for that and here I find that. The next option is font size. You can type here or just can use these plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease font sizes. Alright, the next is text colors. Choose the text color from here as you want. Also, you can pick your desired color from your document by this color picker. You can make your font bold and italic. The next is alignment options. Just click on it and it will change to left, right and centerized. Next option is for listing your document. Here are listing options like dotted and other we use. From here you can set spacings between lines and words. The next option is very amazing. It will give a new look to your document. Here are a bundle of options for styling like shadows. If you want to give a shadow to your text, you can customize the shadow, its directions, transparency and color. Explore all the text effects by yourself. Let me show you the use of some effects. Here you can see Canva provides animations and they are amazing to use and very easy to use all the animations. These are all the animations. Just move your cursor on the animation. You will see how it works. Like this pop animation, fade, typewriter and many more. Explore all of them by yourself. Okay, here are some more options. You can underline your text uppercase and also set the position of your text in your documents. Also, you can make your text look transparent. Alright, we have covered the font styling in Canva. I'm just your tutor and just can tell you what all these things are. Now you have to take practice on all of them and make yourself a perfectionist in every field. Work smart, not hard, and you will be a pro in every software. This is a kind advice. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tricks. Until next time, keep creating. Bye bye.